Yes, dear students of class 10, today's chapter is outcomes of the democracy, which is very important. This democracy is so important because when the administration of the Britishers were there here in our country, we were contesting, we were fighting like anything. Just we have at that very time our target only one, to remove the Britishers, to get the Britishers away from this country. But now we have, when the Britishers have left our country, our responsibilities have gone up and lots of responsibilities have come up us now. And we are just facing all this and we are trying to solve this one also. So, what are the outcomes of this? Just we will see now one by one. Just I have written some points here. So, this outcome of this democracy, what are the actual outcomes of democracy in the various respects? So, see why just we wanted to go away the Britishers. They were also ruling on us. But was the system how the Britishers were ruling, doing the administration good? No. So, we wanted all moreover just they were from the other part of the world and we were not feeling independent. We were captive. What they were just asking, we were supposed to do, whether it may be right or wrong. But nowadays, when we got the freedom, lots of problems had or have come us on, and we are trying to solve this one on daily basis. You are aware about that our parliament is, and this Vidhan Sabha also, all the times they are trying to make the new systems, new rules, new laws, which is suitable for our country. So, this quality of the government, why? Why just we want the quality? You are also very much interested regarding this quality. You should be of high status. Your quality should be much more better than the others. You should rather be the best there. So, all the time just we are contesting, we are fighting for that. In many respects, when we are the students, so your target is you should be the best student of the school, best student of the year, sometimes best student of the state, and sometimes just you might have been watching, you might have been thinking, you should be at the country level. So, there is no limit of the best. So, there it is in many ways, not only here in your education, not only here for your this progress of this status. So, there are many ways, quality of the government, how it should be. So, first we should know what is right, what is wrong. What is right, what is wrong, the quality is coming. What is, how much wealth we should have, is there any system of that? So, at least no one should die without food here in this country. So, this type of systems recently, almost 7-8 years back it has been made, the food security bill. Food security bill. Why just people have just made while the Congress was leaving their chair? This law has been passed while going from their chair very recently by the Congress, right to security of the food. Earlier this was not there. So, the quality of the government, many things are there. Standard of the people should be high in economics, standard of the people should be high in this education, transport system should be better. So many are there, many things are there. Now this is economic. This economic is very important issue for anyone. This economic, if economic is strong, certainly automatically if your thinking is better, you will be good. If your economic is strong, you will be called there in the society, so you will be known in the society. You have, your economic is very strong. If your economic condition is strong, then you can develop in all the areas, but sometimes this is not suitable maybe for you sometimes. If just you have much more economic strong, you will be there. Sometimes it happens also in the bad way also. This well-being means what? When you are here in the school, we are there in the society, family, all just we want, and then how just we can say ourselves well-being? You should be very much well-being there in the education, economic, on the transport, on the behavior. You should be well known there in the school. You should be trying to, you should come first of this culture, first of this in the school, education, percentage, behavior, discipline. So this well-being and inequality or equality, this inequality should be removed. When just we have the democracy there in our country, so we all are equal before the law. We all are equal before the law. So how just we can think for this equality? So by this system of voting, when just you are going through this political science, I say many points are, many ways are there where just you can be equal. Just you can be equal in economic, you can be equal in this education, you can just be parallel in this property. So many things are there. So inequality should be removed. So first of all, when just our country became free, this inequality was removed. Inequality, it has come easily, just we can understand when for this at the time of voting, at the time of voting. And voting right, when just you will be, and who those are more than 18 years of there in the country, and identity either are there, you can cast the vote, and the value of that voting is one. Each and every who those are going for casting vote, the value of that vote will be 1. So this is, you can remove this one, this inequality can be removed from this. So these are, just we can say, the quality of the government. Social differences. Earlier there was the system, you might have been going through this history and even this political science also. There was the system, just you could not take the water from those were the mushalman of the village or king or jamindar. But nowadays, slowly and slowly this has been removed. Social differences, many things are coming there in the society, how you are living. If only the rich is there, so all the time just you will be working or under him, or what he says is right. So that is not. Social differences, social equality means we all should be eligible to go to get the education. Just no one is there, no, you cannot come to this school, you cannot wear this dress, you cannot get this type of higher educations because you are just suitable for this. So this type of things should be removed from the society, then we can say that this is the outcome of the democracy. So many more merits are there. Now this conflicts, all the times we should not quarreling with each other. All the times we should not quarrel with each other. I am superior than you. I am just more intelligent than you. So I can do only this one. So this type of conflicts on the basis of this religion. My religion is the best religion. So on that basis it should not be there. When this type of things will be removed, the social differences and conflicts automatically just will improve ourselves. This freedom and dignity. Freedom and dignity. As I told you, why just we are going to cast the vote there? Show the value of all who those are just eligible to cast the vote. Value is totally one. Either you are the king, you are the Raja, you are the very rich person of your society, and even a very poor people who those are there in the society, family, or in your village, the value of everyone will be the same. So this freedom and dignity. Dignity means what? Respect. Everyone there in the society is or are expecting the importance. So it should be given there. We should not hate all the time. Oh, you are poor of this, you are not eligible, you cannot stand in this line, you should not dare to come here. So this type of thing just when we will do, then we should not expect, we cannot expect there will be the equality. So this is dignity should be given, importance should be given there to all. Okay, dignity, and this final verdict is positive and this negative. This positive and negative, all the times we should not think that you cannot do this one. So this is very wrong way of thinking. Very wrong way of thinking. Nowadays you might have been watching there. Right now just you are in the house. You might have been watching the class 10 student of this Jharkhand of Ramakrishna Mission who came out first there in the board exam, +2 exam. So who knows who is of which caste, who knows who is of from this area, who knows from this state, and this state can be only come up in such a way, I am this for this position. So if you are thinking that is wrong, it should not be there. So democracy is better because this uproots equality and enhance. So this democracy is why better? So outcomes of democracy may these things are to be discussed. Why this should be better? Because there is the equality. We are not just we are giving the importance to all, improves the quality. So how just we are improving the quality? As I told you, when just you will be educated, you will come to know what is right, what is wrong. Automatically you will, when just you will be educated, you will easily understand, no, if I am speaking like this should not be there, this is almost not correct, what I am telling. So improves the quality of decision. Another decision making improves the quality of decision. How this will be? When there is the democracy, certainly we understand, we can say that the decision will be better. Why? Because when just we are making any law, when we are taking any decision, we are taking the decision in a group. How? There are, as I told you, 543 plus 5 plus 2, 545 MPs. Who those are sitting there in the parliament? Who those are discussing there in the parliament? all the times if any rule being made, law is coming up, how this is coming? This is coming throughout the majority people. And what is the majority? By 2/3. Any law is just being passed, it should be passed by 2/3 majority. So what does it do? It do the quality of the decision if will be, it means just we will do better, we will improve. Provide to the resolve conflicts. Yes, our nature should be there. Our nature should be there. We should try to resolve the conflict. We should try to bring down the conflict. We should try to sort out the conflicts. Okay, neither we should do that, okay, you fight yourself and decide yourself what is to be done. No. So when we will do this type of things, this is the quality of the democracy. This is the outcome of the democracy. When we are rising up, this is the outcome of the democracy, and provide to the resolve conflict. We show for this what we have done for this resolve the conflict. Sometimes we are trying to resolve this one in our village at this local level also, in our family members. But when it is not being, then there is the way, there is the process. There is the process. What is that? Judiciary. Judiciary is there. Okay, judiciary is there, law is there. We are approaching the judiciary and trying to solve these conflicts. Allow room to correct mistakes. This is one of the most important thing for us. Allow room to correct mistakes. Maybe this is human nature. Anyone who those are working, anyone who those are fighting, those who are contesting may just do the mistake. Okay, so this mistake, if you are ready to accept, if you realize this, oh, this is my mistake, then you are the best. If you are doing the mistake, but you are boasting, you are not ready to accept, I do not do this type of mistakes. To make mistake is the human's nature. So, if we accept this one to correct mistakes, if we have done any type of mistakes, if you are ready to accept it, if you are ready to correct it, this is the outcome of this democracy. Accountable, responsible and legitimate government. When we are making our government, why people are throughout the world in favor of this democratic form of government? More than 50% countries in the world, throughout the world, have accepted this democratic form of government. Why? Outcome of democracy. Why? Because certainly some maximum merits are there in this. There is the rule by the representative of the people. We have 543 plus 2, 545. We are sending them there. They are thinking for us. They are making the rules according to the system of the requirement of the country. So, this accountable means what? If you are doing, if it is our mistake, we should try to accept it. Yes, I should do such much. I should not do this type of mistakes. Accountable, and we should be responsible. Accountable means just we should take the responsibility about that. I should not try to do this type of mistake. Responsible and legitimate. Legitimate, it should be legally correct. Legitimate, कानूनी रूप से this should be legitimate. It should be accommodation of the social diversities. See, accommodation this. We should try to accept that this accommodation of the social diversities. See, this is, okay sir, this is social diversity means what? We are living there in the society. I am just eating something else. You are eating something else. I am just wearing some separate dress. You are wearing some separate. You are speaking some different language. I am speaking some different. I am just wearing some other dress. You are others. So we should try to accept these all. Who those are wearing? Okay, there should be. If it is your liking, you like that, we should not just hate anyone. No, no, your dress is not correct. So, this type of diversity it should be accommodatable. It can be accommodated in the social diversity. So, we should understand the country is very big. Our language, our religion, we all are different. But finally, just we are the Indians. And this dignity and freedom of the citizens, this is, if you do not want to give the freedom, if you do not want to give the importance to anyone, that is also not good. You are hating someone. You are always challenging. No, no, you cannot do this one. Without knowing, you are just trying to segregate, just make them separate from you. So this should not be there. So dignity means importance, and this freedom should be the dignity of the citizen of this country. And certainly just we will develop slowly and slowly, or sometimes just fast we can develop. Okay, friends? Thanks.